Look at this backpack that I have, guys. It's a business slash adventure outdoors type backpack that has 2 ports right here. One for your auxiliary, but the main port, a USB port for a power bank so you can charge your phone on the go. Pretty freaking cool, I gotta say. It's from Dr. Meter. I'll leave the link in the description below. Okay, now what we're really here for, let's unzip this guy right here. Let's take a look at it. Let's check it out. Hey guys, Gonki's here, making more videos again, and today guys, I have some LED bulbs right here, plug and play, fit in your vehicle, that are color changing. Let's take a look at these. Let's see what they're all about. So without further ado, let's get to it. So it's from a company called Elite Tops. I've done a review on these guys before. They're not too shabby, but this actually caught my eye because they were 194 bulbs, 921, whatever you want to call wedge type bulbs that are color changing. I'm really hoping that it can fit in the map lights and stuff like that, dome lights and stuff, because that would be perfect. And you guys can have some color changing bulbs and not just, you know, regular plain yellow or white bulbs. Now you can use these on your reverse lights and stuff like that. Elite Tops, let's unbox it. Nothing too much on a box itself. It's a very simple box because it's a simple product. Oh, let's take a look at that already. The actual remote and the 2 bulbs right here. Nothing else in the box itself. Put that down to the side. There's some literature right here, and it has a 6-month extended warranty just in case if something mishap happens to the bulbs. You got it covered, guys. Let's take out the actual remote. Here's the actual remote right here. You just gotta pull this tab right here and it will be ready to go. You have all these colors right here, red, green, blue. You have seen these type of remotes before. They're not new. Your power on and off switch right here, flash, strobe, smooth, stuff like that. You've seen these type of remotes before, but what you haven't seen probably is this type of bulb right here. Oh, let me just take it out slowly. Man, packaging is really on point right here. They did not want anything happening to these bulbs. Gotta slowly take it out. I don't want to touch anything else. But as you can see, look at these. Look at this guy. I have to bring it really close and show you in detail. Like, this thing looks awesome. I mean, they have 4 LEDs in the front right here. You have 2 LEDs on the top right here. And then obviously, if you flip it over, you have 4 LEDs right there. So plenty of surfaces to emit light. This should be pretty nice. And obviously, it's a plug and play, you know, just wedge type bulb kind of deal right here. Not bad. Has a bunch of resistors and stuff on there. You don't have to worry about. The only problem that I see with this bad boy is the fact that I wish it was kind of, you know, more compact, you know what I mean? But, you know, this is just the beginning, you know what I mean? So still not too shabby. So now that we've seen this, here's the actual other one right here. It's the exact same thing. Bring it one more time close for you guys and you can take a look at it. Let's go actually take it to the vehicle. I'm gonna try to find a good spot to install this bad boy just for test purposes and show you how it actually works with the remote. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, like I said, there are a few places you can install this, obviously including the map lights and stuff in the car, and or, you know, reverse lights right here, license plate lights and stuff, if it fits. Make sure you check your manual to see if it fits. And then number 2, you know, if you're gonna put it on the outside of the vehicle, make sure you know your laws and regulation in your area. Let's go open these bad boys right here. And in the first step, I'm gonna actually show you how to actually remove these guys right here. A lot of people have been asking me about the Highlander, how to remove these and stuff like that. This is how you do it. I'm not going to actually install these bulbs right here in the map lights because I want to actually install it on those guys right there, those lights right there. I'm going to show you in a second. So to install this guy right here, all you do is basically put your, you know, screwdriver like this. You got a small screwdriver or a pry tool or something. I'm just going to use this small screwdriver, and you just go to like this corner right here and just basically pull down, and you can see it's already popped out, and then get the other side and do the same exact thing and pull it down. And then when you pull it down, you can easily kind of just pop this bad boy out. Make sure that it's completely out. There we go. It easily comes off because they're just like 2 clips right there. You can see both of them. You just take it off, and then you can just replace your bulb that's going to be right there. So let's go put these back on, and putting it back on is as simple as just taking it off, you know, just clicking in place. Make sure they both work and you're good to go. Now let's go to the back part of the vehicle, because this is actually where I'm going to install it to show you how they look. And trust me, they look amazing. You're gonna want to wait for it. Okay, so I have the camera set up right here, and basically to remove this plate right here, this plastic cover, all you do is take your screwdriver, once again, your pry tool, whatever you want to use. I just use this tiny screwdriver because I have a tiny screwdriver like this. Push in this guy right here and basically pull it out. You can see that's a tab. There we go, and just keep prying it out. There we go, and that's the second tab. So you have 2 tabs, one right here and one right here, and you just kind of, you know, push it in, pull it out, push it in, pull it out. And then when you pull it out, you don't have to worry about these 2 guys right here. because it just pops out. Oh, I didn't expect it to pop out on your face, but yeah, like so. Make sure you be careful with these tabs because you don't want to break anything. Now that you've exposed it, there is your actual bulb right there. There you go. That's the actual bulb right there. And basically you just pull out the bulb. Now you don't generally want to handle these bulbs with your fingers, you know, because it has oils on it. But in this case, I'm going to be changing these out eventually to some LEDs anyways, because I don't like yellow bulbs, so I don't care about these as much. But generally speaking, you don't want to be handling these type of halogen bulbs with your fingers because the oils get on here and that will shorten the life of the bulb. So let's put this down to the side and let's get the new bad boy in here. Now this is for demonstration purposes because I highly doubt that this will actually you know, fit in here with the actual cover and stuff. It's not going to actually, unfortunately it's not going to, but this will be a perfect example just to show you how they look anyways. So now that we have this guy in here right here, let's actually test it out and see how they, you know, see if they actually turn on. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. The color output is so much brighter. Already this is the white. This is absolutely beautiful. These are really, really bright. I got the remote right here. Let me actually click on red and see how they look. Oh, look at that. Mood changing, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Green, blue, some lighter green, orange. Oh my gosh, this orange is really, really nice as well. Magenta, I love this color. Some aqua. Obviously you have some flash if you want to make it complete flash like that. You have some strobe fading right there, so you can see it goes, brightens up, and then starts slowly dimming back down to the next color. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. You also have strobing like that. That's pretty cool. I like that too if you have a party in your car pretty much. But the main part is the white looks really nice and white. That's what I want to make sure, you know. And then obviously you can even dim these down. See, normally in your car you won't be able to dim this down like this and, you know, have dimmer light maybe, but you can in this. And let me turn it on, turn it off. As you can see, it just stays like that. That's awesome. Let me make this super bright because I like it on super bright. Oh my gosh, that's freaking bright. Okay, now what I'm gonna do right now is I want to do the same thing for the other side. Close the door, turn the lights off, close the garage door, and see how these things look in the dark. And last but not least, a little quick thing. I just want to make sure you guys realize that you do not have to point this directly to the bulb, okay? It's not one of those crappy. This is an RF remote, okay? This is an RF wireless remote. As you can see, it reads right there, RF wireless. You don't have to actually have this beam to that thing. I'm gonna cover the beam up. As you can see, I'm gonna cover it up, maybe point like down here or something, and I show you that you can actually change the colors without actually having to be pointing at it, okay? So you don't have to worry about that as well. Let's do the other side. Let's close the doors. Let's see how they look. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, it's really dark over here in the garage now. This light is here, but doesn't matter because it's dark inside anyways. Let's actually open this door. As you can see, it's really dark in here. We're gonna basically turn it on using this RF remote. Whoa, look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is the white right here. And remember guys, this is only the back seat that's turned on. I haven't even turned on those right there. I haven't even turned on the lights in the back, nothing. This is it, and it's still really, really nice, gorgeous, and really bright, guys. Look at that. Now the fun happens when you want to change the mood, maybe get some mood lighting in here, maybe have your guests have some fun in here. Bam. Oh, look at that red, guys. Absolutely beautiful, dark and sinister, and yet still fun at the same time. You know, this is a beautiful light for if you want to get that mood, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Here, let's go to green. Look at that. That's a beautiful green, guys. So bright as well. It's really, really nice. I like how bright it is. I like that it gets the job done and it just looks fun. And let's put blue right here. As you can see, I actually have this remote above the vehicle. I've been pressing this above the vehicle and it still works. You can see I hit blue. See, it works anywhere. Doesn't necessarily have to be pointing directly at it. You can just have it wherever you want. And in my case, I'm having above the remote. Let's get some orange in here. Let's see how the orange looks. Whoa, look at that orange. Let's get some magenta. You guys already know me. I love my magenta. Oh man. Okay, my light has actually turned on and you can actually see how bright and nice this looks. Looks like a Mercedes, inside of a Mercedes. The ambient lighting that Mercedes has, absolutely beautiful. And now you can have it for not even that much much of a price. Look at this. Let's do red again. I love this red. It's so darking. It's really cool. Obviously my favorite. I love the magenta color on any type of LED because it's just really nice and warm and colorful and just fun. But that's just my preference. Absolutely beautiful, guys. I am loving this product right here, guys. I'm absolutely loving it. Let's go back to white. Let's bust out that white. Look at that. Just white is business, all business. I'm loving these LEDs, guys. Loving it, and I know you will love it. I was actually about to walk and turn on all the lights, but look how beautiful that looks. It's on green right now. Let me go to something else like blue. Look at that. That's so cool. That's the inside of the vehicle, guys. Absolutely beautiful blue. Let's do some pink, magenta. That's really cool. Let me put it back to blue. It's really nice. And like I said, if I actually had the bulbs for all of it, it would be such a bright interior. It's not even funny. But I have only 2, and this is how bright it is. Beautiful. I love this thing. And let me turn it off. Let's open the garage door. Look at that. Alrighty, guys, that's finished it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. That thing was really awesome. It's like so innovative, and like you can seriously like start a party in your vehicle. It's a really nice ambient lighting, you know what I mean? Mercedes does this. Everyone, all these car manufacturers do this ambient lighting, and instead of having strips and stuff like that, you can just plug and play straight into your map lights, dome lights, stuff like that. Now in my case, like for the Highlander, the only downside I saw was the fact it was a little bit too big for the Highlander. But then again, maybe your vehicle might be different from the Highlander, from this particular Highlander, and it will actually be able to fit. I know a lot of dome lights have a lot more room than that Highlander has, so I know if you guys get it, you will have a lot of fun with it. It's a really awesome product. And obviously I'm gonna leave the links in the description below. Links to all my Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook are gonna be in the description below. Make sure you go check it out. Links to that backpack is gonna be in the description below as well. And with that being said, there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click up for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, can you just share saying thanks for watching and peace.